Hello everyone and welcome to another jelly jabbing session with Derek and Siew Heng. So anyway, I hope all of you enjoyed the last session we had, which was actually doing ferns. But this time I think we have something very interesting also in store for you, and I'll let Siew Heng tell you all about it.
No problems. Welcome back everyone. Thank you for watching the Jelly Alchemy YouTube channel. Today I will be crafting a simple garden and then adding on very simple butterflies using, your normal tools.
And without further ado, we will switch the camera angle, and I hope all of you will enjoy this session and remember to support us. Thank you very much. And so our camera is set and we have changed the view, and now we have Siew Heng with her canvas. And I noticed today you are using a square canvas.
That's right. We've got a 9 inches. Well, it actually looks like a picture frame, doesn't it?
Okay, now that makes sense.
To start off with, I will use this curve tool to the center of the dahlia. That's somewhere here.
Looks like you have completed the first flower.
Would you like to see it?
Sure, of course.
Second decorative dahlia, so just a little bit lower.
And now we are on to the third flower.
Alright, the next flower that I'll be creating, perhaps just over here, is a cluster of asters. So they're actually very similar to daisies.
Asters. And
yes, aster flowers. For the center, we will be using this really sharp tool to create the center of it. Oval shaped tool for the petals. Now we will try and attempt some side tickseeds with the center similar to the asters using this.
It's going to be starting to do the stalks now.
So I'll start with just the little sharp bit here.
Alright.
Because these flowers, you don't actually need the stalks to be too thick. So let's put on some leaves. Got a leaf tool here. You can just use any other leaf. Doesn't matter.
Siew Heng is now filling up the stalks. I think Siew Heng is done with the flowers, and now over to you, Siew Heng, and why don't you tell the viewers now, this is the highlights of the episode.
Now I'll be showing you how to make some butterflies. So we'll start off with a needle. That's for the body.
Okay.
We start off with the bulb, and then go further in, another bulb,
Ooh.
another bulb. Okay, using a thinner needle,
Okay.
I'm
that's
going
a
to be
thinner
I'm going to
needle.
be making. Yep, I'm going to make the antennas. The wing.
Okay.
So these are the tools that I'll be using from the Ultra Mini Rose set. Okay. The front two wings I will be using a smaller tool, and then moving on to a bigger one for the back of the
Okay.
wings. Okay.
Alright, so the first butterfly is done and Siew Heng is going to continue on the second one. This one is slightly different, right, Siew Heng?
That's right. So this one here involves carving the body. So I'm just going to have it right beside here.
Oh,
Okay, so let's start. Doesn't have to be too big. I'm just going to make it a little bit thicker.
Mm-hmm. So this would represent the body of the butterfly.
That's right.
So folks, you can see that Siew Heng is actually using the smaller teardrop tool from the carving tool set.
So let's put the little antennas
Okay.
first.
Little antennas, alright.
Yep. So two. This one here.
Using the very same tools from the previous butterflies. So there's actually 4 wings actually, but they're just layered differently, correct?
That's right. Obviously you don't want purple on the body, so let's take it out.
Alright, so remember to remove the
remove
purple gel,
purple.
purple milk gel from the body, because it should be filled up with
Brown.
brown instead, yeah. Or else you'll have a
Yep.
very weird looking butterfly.
Okay, so that's out. Now fill up the body. Okay, done. Alright, so that's it for this piece. I will now seal it up, put a base, and then I'll show you guys. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this episode of Jelly Jabbing with Siew Heng and Derek. So here it is, the completed piece. Ta-da!
Alright, okay. I love the flowers, especially the flowers with the stalk. Well, okay everyone, thanks for watching again. And our final message from Siew Heng.
Well, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. And until then, happy jellying!
Happy jellying everybody, bye bye.